address?
I think so.
Alright, well, let's get this interview going because we gotta go.
Yeah!
This is the cat house! This is the cat house, meow! Introducing! This is Fizz, the fat cat. Yeah. This is Penny. This is Odin, the second fattest cat. He's not fat. This is Yukon. And this is Merlin. The two cat brothers. Introducing Lola, our little munchkin.
Excuse me, sir. Mr. Fizz. Sir. Oh. I need you to answer this question, please.
Hello.
It's part of our interview.
Okay, so for this triangle, we need to solve for the tangent but first we need to get the hypotenuse using the Pythagorean theorem, which is, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So in this instance, it's 12 squared plus 14 squared equals c squared. 12 squared is 144, and 14 squared is 196, and that equals 340. And since 340 is way too big for x, we have to do the square root of 340. So the square root of 340, it being a big nasty number, and doesn't like to go into a single number very well, we have to simplify it to 2 to the square root of 170, which equals x, or the hypotenuse. Now for a tangent, we use a trick called SOHCAHTOA, which tells us what we need to place on top of each other. And according to SOHCAHTOA, it is opposite over adjacent, which in this case, from the point of view, this being opposite, this being adjacent, it would be 14 over 12, and if we reduce that, that equals 7 over 6, which is, let me rewrite that, tangent.
Thank you, sir. The answer to that question was correct. Good job. We got a sneaker. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you think you can answer a question for us? Please?
So we are going to be solving for sine on angle beta, and what we have to do is use the Pythagorean theorem, and that is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we already have a and b, so that's 10 squared plus 18 squared equals 424. So what we're going to have to do to reduce this is we have to get it squared. So we are going to be going to the calculator, and we are going to hit program. We're going to go all the way down to radical, and you're going to wait for this beautiful screen to show up. Press enter, and 440, 24, and do not close the bracket, otherwise it'll give you the wrong answer. Press enter, and it gives you 2 square root over 6. So when we solve for sine, that equation is opposite over hypotenuse. So what you're going to do then is you're going to put 10 over 2, 106, and we have to reduce this to get a different. So 2 can go into 10, so that reduces down to 5, 1 over 106, and this is...
Good job. That answer was correct. You're very good at math. Sir, I need you to let go of the rope, please. Sir, sir, okay. Oh, yeah, go for it. Keep the rope. Excuse me, Odin, can we ask you a few questions? Like, do you know the answer to this math problem?
To find the cosine of angle A, you need to start with the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Because we have one leg and the hypotenuse identified, we'd start by doing 7 squared for A plus b squared equals 9 squared for letter C. We don't have b yet, so to find b, we would take 7 squared, which is 49, and we'd subtract it from 9 squared, which is 81. So 81 minus 49 equals 32. From there, we would go to the calculator and click on programs, and we'd scroll down to radical. Once we're on the radical program, you'd take the square root of 32 and make sure not to close the parentheses. Once we're there, we get 4 radical 2. And to find the cosine, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the answer would be 4 radical 2 over 9, and that can't be reduced, so that's your final answer.
Good job, sir. That was correct. You did a good job.
Cool.
Give him some pets.
What do you think of this meeting of cats? Do you have something to say on all this math? Is it perfect?
I think he's on too much catnip right now to answer.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Timmy, Dora, what are you doing in this film? This is for cats only.
Well, let's just ask them questions.
Timmy, we have a question. What is your favorite activity to do? Is it to bark and go on walks?
Oh my
I
goodness.
think he is.
How's life, Dora?
All right, I think the interview went pretty good.
Yeah, I think it went pretty well.